Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by rebooting your modem and router to restore a fresh connection state. Wait 2 minutes after power cycling before reconnecting any devices to avoid IP conflicts. Check that indicator lights show power, upstream, downstream, and online status for the modem. Inspect Ethernet cables for damage and swap cables if speeds remain unstable or link is absent. Have your network name and password ready, and note any ISP account numbers or PINs. Record your router model and firmware version for reference during troubleshooting steps. After reboot, connect a laptop via Ethernet to verify internet reaches your local network. Open a browser and load a simple site to confirm DNS and routing work properly. If wired access works, restart Wi-Fi on the router and re-add wireless devices. Use your exact SSID and password shown on router label or your custom credentials. For devices failing to connect, forget the network, then restart the device and reconnect. Check MAC filtering or parental controls if some devices still cannot obtain an IP address. Log into the router at 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1 using admin credentials. Check firmware updates and apply the latest stable release to resolve known connectivity bugs. Reset network settings on a device to clear stale configurations like static IPs or old proxies. If ISP outages persist, contact support and provide modem MAC, account number, and outage time. Finally, keep a backup router configuration and store passwords in a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.